Friends, welcome to Kushmanda Academy. We will discuss today most important questions for Assistant Commissioner of Labor in Tamil Nadu state. So, a very important exam, and we will discuss a practice set on Trade Union Act 1926. First question, so you can answer in comment box with me. The creation of a political fund by trade unions under the Trade Union Act. Four options are compulsory, optional, by donation from political parties, no such provision in the Act. So, correct answer is B. You can learn or you can attempt. Next question. What will be the minimum number of workers required for organizing a trade union for registration according to the latest amendment under the Trade Union Act 1926? According to latest amendment, it is the important line. So options are 7 workers, 10%, 100, D 10% or 100 or 7. So which is the correct answer? Please answer in comment box or learn it. So correct answer is D. Next question, the minimum subscription rate of members of trade unions of rural workers shall not be less than minimum subscription rate for members of trade union of rural workers shall not be less than. So listen carefully and answers carefully. So four options, 12 rupees per annum, 3 rupees per annum, 1 rupees per annum, no such provision. The answer is 1 rupees per annum. Next question, question number 4. A union may claim recognition for an industry in local area if it has a membership of union. Claim recognition for an industry. So always read question very carefully and then answers very carefully. Four options, 10% of workers in that industry, 15% of workers in that industry, 25% workers of in that industry, 30% workers in similar industry. The correct answer is 25%. Next question, a person is qualified to be chosen as a member of executive or any other office bearer of registered trade union if he attained the age of, very important question, expected questions. The four options are 15 years, 18 years, 21 years, 25 years. Answer is, correct answer is 18 years. Very easy. Next question, the registered trade union can collect political fund its member as general fund, cannot collect political fund, separate fund from interested members, only from political parties. Four options are there and correct answer must be, please answer in comment box or otherwise I am so correct option is C. Separate fund from interested members. Important questions है. Always answers in comment box. Otherwise, you can learn our answers. Next, no to more than 50% of members of the office bearer of trade union can be outsiders as per provisions of legislation. Industrial Dispute Act, Trade Union Act, Mines Act, or next ESI Act. Correct option is Trade Union Act. Trade union means by combination formed primarily for the purpose of regulating the relations between workmen and employees permanently, workmen and employees, employees and employers, temporary or permanent, workmen, employers and employers permanently. बहुत important question है, बहुत ज़्यादा expected, very important. So correct option is C. C is correct option. Please learn. Next, the Trade Union Act empowers a trade union to create a general fund for its administration and maintenance. A trade union purchase share in Unit Trust of India to enhance its general fund account. Which of the following not correct as per law? Four options are given and correct option may be. So please read carefully and answer. So the trade union can raise its fund by such type of investment. The trade union can raise its fund by such investment with the permission of appropriate government. The trade union can raise its fund by investment with consent of its general body. C answer is correct answer. So we need not to read four option D. Next question. The basic principle of the basic principle underlying the enactment of Trade Union Act is very important question. The to protect interest of workers against disregard of human elements in industry is to regulate the relationship of workers and their organizations by regulating the balance of power to provide strength to workers to settle industrial dispute. Next, to provide security to workers against the occupational hazards. Four options are given and correct option is B. B is correct option, or these questions are carried out from our study material. So you can call us on our helpline numbers for Assistant Commissioner of Labor study material and test series. So all are available. So please call us. Thank you very much. And you can see details on our website kushmanda.com. Okay, thank you.
टेस्ट सीरीज़, स्टडी मटेरियल या स्पेशल क्लासरूम कोर्स के लिए विज़िट करें हमारी वेबसाइट kushmanda.com पर, या हमारे हेल्पलाइन नंबरों पर भी कॉल करके आप सारी डिटेल पता कर सकते हैं. सो वेट फॉर आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो.